how to set up authentication for PayPal account. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to have authentication for your PayPal. So first things first, go to your settings over here on the top right, and we're going to select security over here. Simply select security. And in this page, as you can see, simply navigate to two-step verification. Having two-step verification will allow us to have authentication for our PayPal account. This will allow us to have one-time security code and so on and so forth. So we could simply update this. And as you can see here, we could utilize an authenticator app. Simply select this and download any authenticator app on your mobile phone and simply scan our QR code over here. By doing this, it will prompt the application that you're using to connect with your PayPal account. You could utilize any account or any application that you want and easily connect it with your PayPal through this method. And just like that, you will have authentication on your PayPal account. So that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.